Here's a screencast on how to use a define map. A define map is used when we want to determine or find out the meaning of a word or concept. First step is in the centre box here. You need to write down the word or concept you're looking to define. I'm going to write down, as an example, was leadership. The next step after you've completed that is to list in this little next box in here all the ideas, parts or meanings of that word. This could come from the dictionary or could come from the criteria that you've set. These need to be factual things and not your opinion. So let's take an example here. Just going to zoom in a bit so it gives me a little more room to write. So leaders, we have found out make a difference. They are proactive, synergize, think positively, leaders, anyone can be a leader. And so forth, and I could fill up with as many parts to that meaning of that word. Once I have done that, my next step after that is then to look at the non-relevant section, this section around here. And the non-relevant section is what you put in here are words or things that are similar to leadership that people might get confused with, that are not the same. So we're going to go look at some examples of that now. So I've just zoomed in here. So for instance, one of the first ones is that they, that leaders, that you are born a leader. Okay, leaders have to improve and they become leaders. They're actually not born. It's not something you've got a gift at. Other things that they do that are not quite the same, like they boss people around. All the time. Okay, and so what I would then do is go around here and figure out examples that are quite similar. Once I have done that all the way around there, my next step is then to look at and make an overall conclusion about what this word means. So what I would then do is I would go down into the box and say overall leadership is, move across so you guys can see, is about making a difference. So I've looked at my ideas up there, and I think that's the overall thing I'm trying to do, making a and then in this bit here I would say why I think those things, because they need to be proactive, they need to synergize, that type of thing. So if we take a look back at our whole map now, it's quite full of ideas, and it's, as you can see, we've really unpacked what it means.